Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves clean Android, amazing cameras, and great value for money, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about the Google Pixel 10a, Google's upcoming mid-range smartphone that's expected to bring flagship-level features at a much more affordable price, especially for the US market. Google Pixel. The Pixel S series has always been about one thing, giving you the core Pixel experience without paying flagship prices. Phones like the Pixel 7a and 8a were huge hits in the US because they offered excellent cameras, smooth performance, and long-term software updates. And the Pixel 10a is expected to continue that exact formula, but even better. From early expectations, the Pixel 10a will likely keep Google's clean and minimal design language, with a refined camera bar and a compact form factor that many US users prefer. We're expecting a high-quality OLED display, possibly with a smoother refresh rate, making everyday scrolling, YouTube, and social media feel incredibly smooth. One of the biggest highlights could be Google's next-gen Tensor chip, optimized heavily for AI features. This means smarter photo processing, better voice recognition, improved battery efficiency, and exclusive Pixel AI tools. For US users who rely on Google Assistant, live call screening, and real-time transcription, this is where the Pixel 10a could really shine. Let's talk cameras, because Pixels are famous for them. Even if the Pixel 10a uses similar hardware to previous models, Google's software magic could deliver flagship-level photos, especially in portrait shots, night photography, and HDR. For content creators, students, and everyday users, this could easily be one of the best cameras in its price range. If Google gets the pricing right, which they usually do, the Pixel 10a could become one of the best mid-range smartphones in the US. Clean Android, powerful AI, excellent cameras, and years of updates, all without breaking the bank. So if you're waiting for a smart, reliable, and future-proof Android phone, the Pixel 10a might be worth the wait.